My name is Collins Angwech. I'm from northern Uganda, and I am so excited about helping the village I come from, Namasale, get their children to go to school. Namasale Leadership Academy came in our minds, and we're thinking, if we can give the children in Namasale the same kind of education that every child is getting, the teachers that will teach them and they are motivated to teach them and impact on them, and children that are prepared for a bigger life outside and working to build their dreams and working to encourage themselves to take action and to give back to their community. I think Faraway Friends will help because it involves global citizenship. It involves people in America looking at things in Uganda, not because Uganda is so far away from them, and it has gone through all this war, it has gone through all this, and it's a third world country, but looking at it as another country with children, with families, with a dream for a better tomorrow. By December, we are trying to raise $10,000. We already have land that was donated to us. We already have bricks that has already been made. That is how much the people of this village need a school. That is how much they want to see us start this, and they've donated land to us. So if we can have $10,000 by December, we can start constructions, and within a year we'll have everything built to start education.